Welcome to my channel. I am Ben, the business analyst expert.
In today's video, we're going to talk about 6 reasons why affiliate marketing is the best way to make money online. I'm also going to show you what I believe is one of the best affiliate programs to earn money on the internet right now. Before we start, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and click the bell icon to be notified for future videos. Number 1, passive income. While any regular job requires you to be at work to make money, affiliate marketing offers you the ability to make money while you sleep. By investing an initial amount of time into a campaign, you will see continuous returns on that time as consumers purchase the product over the following days and weeks. You receive money for your work long after you've finished it. Even when you're not in front of your computer, your marketing skills will be earning you a steady flow of income. Number 2, no customer support. Individual sellers and companies offering products or services have to deal with their consumers and ensure they are satisfied with what they have purchased. Thanks to the affiliate marketing structure, you'll never have to be concerned with customer support or customer satisfaction. The entire job of the affiliate marketer is to link the seller with the consumer. The seller deals with any consumer complaints after you receive your commission from the sale. Number 3, work from home. If you're someone who hates going to the office, affiliate marketing is the perfect solution. You'll be able to launch campaigns and receive revenue from the products that sellers create while working from the comfort of your own home. This is a job you can do without ever getting out of your pajamas. Number 4, cost effective. Many businesses require startup fees as well as a cash flow to finance the products being sold. However, affiliate marketing can be done at a low cost, meaning you can get started quickly and without much hassle. There are no affiliate program fees to worry about and no need to create a product. Beginning this line of work is relatively straightforward. Number 5, convenient and flexible. Since you're essentially becoming a freelancer, you get ultimate independence in setting your own goals, redirecting your path when you feel so inclined, choosing the products that interest you, and even determining your own hours. This convenience means you can diversify your portfolio if you like or focus solely on simple and straightforward campaigns. You'll also be free from company restrictions and regulations as well as ill-performing teams. Number 6, performance-based rewards. With other jobs, you could work an 80-hour week and still earn the same salary. Affiliate marketing is purely based on your performance. You'll get from it what you put into it. Honing your reviewing skills and writing engaging campaigns will translate to direct improvements in your revenue. You'll finally get paid for the outstanding work you do. I placed a link in the description below of what I believe is one of the best affiliate programs at the moment. The name of the business is Livegood. Livegood is the fastest growing network marketing company of 2023. The opportunity launched just 4 months ago, and the company already has more than 250,000 members. Livegood was also voted the number 5 company with the best compensation plan in the industry. With Livegood, you can earn up to $2,047 per month without ever recruiting a single person. Here are the 6 ways you can earn money with Livegood. Number 1, weekly fast start commissions. For each person who you refer to Livegood who becomes a member and an affiliate for $49, you'll be rewarded with a $25 commission paid out the very next week. Pretty much if you recruit 10 people in a week, you'll be making $250 per week. Plus, if any of the people you enroll choose to enroll others, not only will they be rewarded, but you will also receive additional bonus commissions up to 10 levels deep. Number 2, matrix commissions. When you lock in your position in Livegood, you are given your own business center in the fast-filling 2x15 matrix. As more people join Livegood every week, they are placed in the matrix under everyone who's already in there, following their enroller. So the sooner you lock in your position, the higher your position will be in the matrix. You can earn 2.5% on up to 15 levels deep depending on your ranking level. With this option, you have the ability to earn up to $2,047 to $16,300 per month when your matrix fills up, depending on your ranking. Number 3, matching bonuses. As huge as the fast start commissions and matrix bonuses are, the matching bonuses are even bigger. On top of the $2,047 or up to $16,300 that you can earn in your personal matrix, you will also match 50% of the matrix commissions on everyone you enroll, and a percentage of everyone those people enroll, 5 enrollment generations deep, regardless of where they fall in your matrix. Number 4, retail commissions. As an affiliate of Livegood, at any time one of your referrals makes a purchase as a retail customer, you will earn 50% of the difference between the member and the retail price. Number 5, influencer bonuses. For affiliates who choose to market products to retail customers on a large scale, you will earn additional bonuses on all of that volume. In fact, you will earn up to 100% of the difference between the member and the retail price on all orders by your referred customers. Number 6, Diamond Bonus Pool. Once you achieve Diamond rank, you'll get a share of 2% of total company sales every month. I made a video of a Diamond member that is already making around $30,000 per month with Livegood. You'll find the link in the description below. This is an amazing income opportunity for anyone looking to make extra income online. The price point is so low that this is a no-brainer. It only costs $49.95 to join, but the income potential is limitless. So if you've not done it yet, I recommend you to click the link below this video to join Livegood. And after you sign up, I will share with you all the strategies that my team and I are using to generate hundreds of prospects each month on autopilot.
Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and don't forget to click the notification button. I hope you guys learned and enjoyed this video. Thank you, and have a great day.